Welcome to Brickmac Studio and episode 1 of Techniques. If you have an angle to connect, then most of you use those hinge bricks and connect two parts together. But what will you do when one of the parts is a half a stud or a third of a stud too far away or too much to left or to right? Then it doesn't work. And therefore I found a solution I want to show to you. This one here is my first solution to connect them. So you can adjust the angle like you want, and also a little bit the distance of those two parts. And here you see how I connected them. It's quite simple. And I'm gonna show you here inside. I used those bricks with this tube hole. It's not a very strong connection, so therefore I have used something different, which is this one. Therefore you need two layers, and in between there are two plates, and I'm going to show you now how I connected this. So those are the parts you need for, and it's working like this. So I prepared here an example. You put this here inside and also there. Then you take the 3L on here, put this on top, this one too, and now you can connect it wherever you want, or this direction. And it's better to have it next to the other one, because the wider the distance of this tube is, the weaker is the strength. And if you did, then you can adjust the angle however you want, and also you can go more in or outside. And if you need a wider connection, then you have to choose a longer tube. So here I used a short one. And yeah, it's much better, I think. You can see it in a better view. And if this isn't strong enough for you, then you simply can use two of them connected. That's the way I did in my ship I'm building right now. And to keep them together, you can simply use a Technic lift arms with 7 holes, and then it fits perfect here inside. Also here on this side. There is no place, but you could put them inside here too. And so it's impossible to expand, and it's a very strong connection. And maybe this kind of technique will help you to build something in an angle which normally doesn't work. Thank you for watching.